Hey there everyone! Today we are diving into a common problem that many of us face while decluttering our homes. As we go through our old gadgets and appliances, we often come across a pile of USB cables that seem to have multiplied over the years. The problem arises when we are left wondering if we can replace all those cables with a single high-quality one for each type of connection. Some have ferrite cores, some do not. And then there's the whole debate about charging versus data cables. It can be quite a dilemma. In the solution to our cable conundrum, yes, you can indeed use a high-quality cable for every appliance that fits it and bid farewell to the original cables. Whether it's a micro USB or a mini USB, as long as the connector matches, you're good to go. The good news is that these USB sizes don't come in separate 3.0 standards like Type AB, so there's no need to worry about versions. Problem solved, right? Solution now. Cables sporting Type AB USB connectors on both ends might vary in version from 2.0 to 3.0. The newer versions pack more pins for increased power and data capabilities, but fret not as they are backward compatible. So, simply swapping out those older cables with a newer USB cable should do the trick just fine. It's all about simplifying our lives, one cable at a time. In summary, we've debunked the myth of hoarding multiple USB cables for different devices by confirming that a single high-quality cable can indeed work across various appliances. Whether it's micro USB, mini USB, or the versatile Type AB connectors, as long as they fit, you're in business. So, go ahead, declutter with confidence, and embrace the simplicity of a streamlined cable collection. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop us a comment with your favorite decluttering hack. Until next time, happy organizing!